update, one of the last two updates for the next season, and I think we're getting some hints as to what's going down with the 0 point, because it has changed. I'm going to talk about that in today's video. I'm also talking about the gun that we got today. I'm going to try to find it, upgrade it all the way. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's jump into this update and check out what Fortnite has changed. Talk about what the future of Fortnite looks like. We finally got some hints regarding this big floating ball in the middle. As you can see, it looks a little more active. Let's land. I'm landing Misty because I want to be able to upgrade the rapid fire to gold. Regarding the rapid fire, we were right last update video about what Epic is showing. Epic removed going to head up north to the 0 point real quick and take a look at it, because the 0 point is unstable. There it is. Beautiful. Let's see if I can upgrade this rapid fire gear leaping. We also do have leap image of the Midas skin, the female Midas skin. She looks pretty cool. I don't know if she's going to play a part in the story. I don't think she is. Let me break down. Somebody said they're floating. It's not even letting me pick them up. I'm just going to pick them up to get out of the circle. Alright, so let's check out the rapid fire, the green variant. I think I'm going to have to get into another match, by the way, and flip it in with this one. Because like, the rapid fire is really, really good in Pro Gold. Update, one of the last two updates for the next season, and I think we're getting some hints as to what's going down with the 0 point, because it has changed. I'm going to talk about that in today's video. I'm also talking about the gun that we got today. I'm going to try to find it, upgrade it all the way. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's jump